Hi everyone, this is Brett with Analogy IT. Today we're going to go over the Dell Command Update. Let's head over to the Start menu and select Dell Command Update. Now the tool is loaded, you can see over here that we're running a Precision 364 row with this service tag, and it's never checked for updates. When we launch the tool for the first time, we'll get asked if we want to automatically check for updates. We'll go ahead and select yes. Now we're going to select check to start checking for updates. As you can see, we have 1 critical and 4 recommended updates. Once we've selected the category, hit View Details to view the individual updates. So once we've confirmed our updates, let's select the Install button. As you can see, it scans for system devices, starts to download and starts installing. Well, I'm not quite sure what happened there, but the process just seemingly quit out. Even though the tool seems to have quit, the system tray has said that the system has been updated successfully. If you found this video useful, hit like, hit subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.